Hey, it's Aaron here, and today we are here in step 3 because we'll be recording a quick tutorial video all about how you can export hundreds or even thousands of unique versions of your article with Spin Rewriter. So we are now here in step 3 and we have already generated the spin text of our article, which we did through using steps 1 and 2. So we are now in step 3 and we're ready to generate just thousands of unique articles from here. So let's click the export button. And this is pretty much all we need to do. Now, the export dialog gives us 3 options. We can export the finished article in spin text format. Now, if we go with this option, we will download a single file that will contain the article in the spin text format. And then we can use this text file with the spin text with various third-party software products that can be used for various link building purposes or SEO purposes or anything like that. So this is what the first option does. Now we can also export each unique article in its own text file. This is the most commonly used option for sure, and this gives us each generated unique article as its own individual text file. And we can tell Spin Rewriter how many of these articles we want. And the final option is we can export unique articles in a text file separated by a custom article separator. So this option gives us a single text file with all of our unique articles, but in between those articles, there's a text separator. So we should pick something that doesn't really appear anywhere else in our article. So like if we use article separator 1 to 3, all of our articles will be separated amongst themselves by this little piece of text, article separator 1 to 3. And then we can use this one big text file with third-party software, and the third-party software will be able to separate this one big text file back into individual articles later on if it needs to. So let's go with the most commonly used option. We want to export each unique article in its own text file, and let's say that we want to export 500 unique articles. Once we want to do that, we simply click this button, export zip file, and Spin Rewriter is now preparing our articles and asking us to wait, but it doesn't take much. It's already done, and we see the success message. Your articles have been successfully exported, and you can download your articles by clicking the button below, which is exactly what I'm gonna do. So this is the button below, and let's click it. And we have now downloaded the articles. Now, if we wanted to export 200 unique articles, we could click this button again and download the articles. And once we have the articles, we can click on the downloaded file, and we can see these are the unique articles. This is the zip file. It's already been unzipped. And we see the variations from 001 to 200 because we wanted to export these 200 articles. So yeah, this is exactly how you do exports with Spin Rewriter. And I hope this was useful and you learned something. And thank you for being one of our amazing users. Have a great day.